ducks come back. Quack, quack, quack so loud. Can I find my duckling now? 3 have come, but 2 are free. Mother duck calls desperately. 3 little ducks in the breeze. 2 are lost among the trees. Mother duck says quack, quack, quack. 2 little ducks come back. Quack, 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 she cries, looking with her weary eyes.